Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from your Binance account to any other wallets, alright? So it's pretty simple. The basic thing is when you're transferring crypto, basically you need to have the wallet address of the place where you're transferring. So basically you're transferring, Tether from your Binance account to Coinbase. You need the, receiving address, in another word, like the, wallet address of your Tether on Coinbase, alright? So just keep that in mind. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. So for the example of this video, I'm going to be transferring my, Tether from my Binance to my Trust wallet. And for any other wallet except Trust wallet, you can do the same thing, alright? So just follow the step. Basically, you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance. Once you go to Binance.com, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you're going to be welcome to this page. Once you're over here, you want to go on where it says wallet and you want to go on overview. Now, for those people who do not know Tether is basically a stable coin, which means its value is equivalent to US dollar. So however price the US dollar is, it's basically going to be equivalent to the US dollar. So when you're buying Tether, basically you're buying US dollars. So just keep that in mind. Once you're over here, you want to go on the withdraw section, and on withdraw section, you want to choose Tether. So right now it's in Bitcoins. I'm going to choose Tether over here because we're going to be transferring Tether. Now remember, when you're transferring some coin, let's say not even Tether, let's say in general you're transferring crypto, you want to have the wallet address to wherever you want to transfer. Now remember, when you're transferring Tether, if you enter the wallet address of Bitcoin, then basically your Tether is going to be lost. And not just for Tether, basically if you're transferring any other coin, then you need to have the wallet address of that same coin. So for Tether, I need to have the wallet address of my Tether. So for that, let me go to my, Trust wallet over here. So I'm going to go to my Tether and I'm going to go on where it says copy. And I have copied the wallet address of Tether. After copying the wallet address, you want to paste the wallet address over here. After pasting the wallet address, you want to choose the network. And I'm going to choose BSC network because Ethereum network is a bit expensive. As you guys can see, $25 for transferring 25 USD, which is expensive. So I'm going to use BSC. And I'm going to click on yes, I'm sure. And after doing that, I want to enter the amount of Tether I want to transfer. And after entering the amount, once I click on withdraw, my Tether will be transferred to my Trust wallet because that's the wallet address I've entered over here. If I had entered the Tether wallet address of Binance, it would have been transferred to my another Binance account. And if it is at Coinbase, it would have been transferred to Coinbase. Just keep that in mind. That's basically how you guys can do it.